Hello and welcome Rose Tech Info. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video detailing about what is a model in programming. See how developers use models to guarantee engagement. So before I start my video, please subscribe my channel. What is a model in programming? See how developers use models to guarantee engagement. During a 2 years stint as a digital marketer, I learned about models. I use a simple UI features that can help get attention and drive conversions. So, what is a model in place programming and why does it drive interactivity? Build your website with HubSpot, a free CMS software. Will think about a window with a discounts that blurs information. We were just reading these boxes that appear when visiting a site are models that requires. You take actions, fill out a forms, or click away, hit the X symbols, the returns to your browsings. Love them or hate them, will notice models. In this post, we share my experience with models that exclude what a model is in programming and tips and how to use them to get the best result for your site. Let's dive in. Level of content. What is a model is programming? Benefits of models. Cons of models. Where are models used in web design? Model window best practices. How to implement models in CSS. What is a model in programming? Models are elements that overlay the main window. Models work simply. The page fades out and a small window appears on a screen with a message or promoting on actions like sign up for an email list or downloading a current software. Here are simple examples from HTML Meets Technology Review. Thus, publication uses models, promotes to invite readers to subscribe to their exclusive stories. We usually call the pop-up elements models features, but temporarily takes control of your interacting requirements you to focus on a specific task before continuing. A model window block interactions with the text of page. You need to templates the miss on action before processing. The models of a model elements is a modelless elements which allows you to continue interactive with the main page while the dialog remains open. You can always interact with parents content while a modelless elements is open. For example, I worked this article is Google Docs when I used to find the realize functions and the models box appears. You can move this box out of a way and keep typing in the documents. Adding the work documents is not impaired. So bar floating chats, a window is a persistent search bar. Page size panel and formatting toolbar are excellent example of modelless elements. These elements provide a flexible user experience are ideal for multitasking. Model versus pop-up. There is only one basic difference between models and regular pop-ups. This looks practically equal. Once you get the models on your screens, can attract other elements on the page. You either take immediate actions or may dismiss. It's using the buttons if available. This is no in between. In contrast, pop-up are modelless design. A pop-up gives you enough freedom. If you choose not to interact, you can continue interactions with the page contents while the pop-up remains on the screen until the page. Benefits of models. Whenever I encounter the models of a site, I have to stop and interact. This helps me focus on and make decisions about newsletters, discounts, and other. Thus, sometimes and very important information like warning confirmations or login promotes. Aside from demanding attention, models presenting additional benefits including the following. Models offer simplicity. Models keep things simple. Everything stay within one tab, helping visitors stay connected with what they were doing before models appears. Big tasks like checking are filling out forms for setting up an accounts are broken down into smaller steps using models. Models save space and efforts. Model lets you set extra content like the form, video, and quick message in a lightbox rather than opening a whole new page once created. A model's opponent can refuse the thoughts of your application to define the structures, styling, and behavior. Once then launch it's whatever needed, saving you time. Models guarantee visibility. If promotes appear in a new models and users this means the intensity close out before the events read the information. However, models appears within the user's active tab so you can be sure information reaches the visitors. Beyond that, models often dims or blur the background content while bringing the model's content to the foreground. This result hierarchy improves visibility. Cons and models. Models are the good as you make them and they have a drawback attack that you should consider before placing them all over your sites. Implementing these features thoughtfully will improve your results. Models interrupt visitors' workflows. I had it when a model appears. I am reading to or typing. I disrupt my focus and attention and requires me to remove is to before I can return to work. I get frustrated when I am interrupted just like anyone else. Avoid passing models over areas from your site that already have the high level of interactions like the page where people need to type and work. I have to use a pop-ups or model use them sparingly on these pages. Models look worse on mobile. The models can be great way to grab attention on desktop, but on mobile they can overpower every other site's elements. Models can cover almost everything on the display. The X buttons offers reading renders too small or on the edge of displays, making it hard to top. Models can also be frustrating. You might reload the page to get rid of a box and it just appears again. Model can't be bookmarked. Sometimes I find useful content with the models and want to be saved before the late. However, I can't bookmark or share the link because models don't have web addresses. If I close the models, I have to reload the page to get it back. Models may create accessibility challenges. If you use screens, models, or a keyboard to navigate, you may struggle with the models when models opens keyboards focus instead often does not automatically move on the models or closing the focus rarely returns. The practices where both and appears. This creates distorted for screen readers you can see and focus on the move when our model used in web design. Over the years, the workings contents might learn how models windows are inventables. They are effective the time any times you need to users and see or do something specific that typically appears that triggers events. There are one parts of creating great content experiences. You need a proper content strategy to deploy a model windows and marketing contents thoughts different forms of contents you can use tool like HubSpot Content Hub to add models your site CMS and others help you create manage and optimize content across multiple channels. Warning alerts and confirmations. If there are no things I learned, the models window work best when truly needs to interrupt. Use the excellence directing attentions. The models windows are attending content, the alerts about the significance event, the error, a warning about the sequences of some actions or confirmations of a complete process. I have used models only for critical message, for example, errors that actively prevent desired actions from being complete. E.g., we will not complete a request due to a server error. Please refresh the page and try again. Models can also remind visitors about actions that can't revert. E.g., are you sure you want to continue? These an important stopping points. Users should be aware of a cookie policy alert not so much save this model as notifications windows or bar. Make sure that the models contains enough the critical information users can lead to navigate users experience ensure the message justifies the disruptions. If found forms insights models work best for quick users inputs. It a process on your website requires user submitted information. You can place a form inside a model's window. You see this often an alternative of a dedicated login sign up page. Models with forms also promote emails, newsletter content, offers a discount code. Many premium websites such as the Boston Globe restricts their content the members only. Models remains users they need to subscribe to access the content. Usually the triggers that the typical models the window the CTS the Unix and but also common the site authors models can be scrolled events is pop up there fields and the triggers distracting but the don't know some visitors can often thus consider if to relevant media display. One of the most effective way to increase media engagement to display image and videos the models I personality I noticed to approach and work appreciably while in portfolio website immerse products perceive the new product media galleries. Media often support main contents web page the set a tone of drawing experience is the image a glowing video is the focal point the website model window allows reader to the view it without navigating the another page. For example, you may click thumbnail on a parent's page with the one's models for a gallery of relevant image that is easily navigable with arrow buttons the both side of the window. Airband does its perfectly to showcase properly images. A thumbnail can also open a video models which display the video like its own little theaters and then closers on the video completes internet service providers study website information page list a few videos that present this way. Use media models to keep your your page clean display images and video thoughts thumbnail opening them in a model to save space and enhance user experience. Multi-step process for longer more energy extensive actions on a website creating a user's profile is signing up for a sign service or completing a tool service setup consider separating each and step into the on models window or the experience feel more engageable. This technique is common in software applications on a wizard's installation guide. You can show the progress with the window as a bar or sequence of small dots number or others indicators. Multi-step process are primarily effective for users onboarding checkout process software installations wizards from savvy interactions does it well with the new community creations process notice progress indicators at the bottom. Models window best practices one of the areas I worked the countless web projects and things that learns smoothness countless the key actions but when the use poorly destructive and event drive visitors away and today we are the familiar models and they instantly recognize when this useful and one of the best unnecessary desktops distinctions if you want to make your models enhance rather than frustrate stick of these best practices. Use models intentionally and infrequently. Models are disruptive by designs and notice when pull out of the flow and push for immediate indications. How much implement models in CMS? Make sure each model has a purpose in visitor's journey. Attentions from your users as long as ultimately a service and their end goals and provides for the value to justify a brief disruption. And stick to this best practices for designs and function to ensure the smooth user experience. Editors note this post was originally published in September 2020 and has been updated for completeness. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.